How to recover voice memos on iPhone. To recover voice memos on your iPhone, first of all go ahead and open up Voice Memos on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap this arrow at the top right corner of your screen. Then, open the recently deleted folder. After that, select a recording that you recently deleted. Then, slide to your left to enable the delete button. But to recover the recording, you need to tap on Edit on the top right corner. Now, the files are in an editable format. You can also select multiple from here. For now, tap on a single file. Then, go to the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on this Recover button to retrieve the voice memo. Then, tap on the first option here. Once you have recovered your recording, you can now find it in the All Recordings folder. Here, as you can see, the voice memo has been restored and sorted according to the date. By following these simple steps, you can easily recover your voice memos on iPhone.